What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be working on a Superfine turbine. This looks like a real Hot Wheels car. I'm really excited to be doing this one. But first we have to take it out of the package. Just an awesome looking car. According to the Redline book, Superfine turbine in dark blue is worth about $450 loose, and a pink fluorescent is $4,000. So we're going to make this thing into pink today. Went ahead and stripped it, drilled it. Working with this, little pieces. That's one big engine. That thing is huge. It's like a little one-seater, maybe a two-seater. Small seats. This thing's a rocket. Now to turn to the painting. Got it out of the paint shop, dried. Looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and put it back together. Okay, I think we'll do this first. Okay, put the cedar in there. Maybe. Okay, and it just snaps into that. Okay, whoops. Okay. All right. We started with this. We finished with this. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.